They here yet?
Plenty of time. It's only 7:45.
What's so interesting?
Those two down there.
Oh, that's Wilson and Bennett. A couple of hotshots from finance.
What are they carrying?
Oh, those are computers.
Computers? They're taking our computers home at night?
Not exactly. They're bringing their computers in.
You're kidding. What for?
Well, for one thing, that's how they put together these killer forecasts.
You mean we can't do this on our system?
Nope. Not like this.
Okay, 2 questions. What kind of computers are they using?
And?
And why don't we have them?